In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Avatar automatically when joining a Zoom meeting. If you like the idea of showing up to a meeting with a polished, expressive avatar instead of your live camera, this setting will save you a click every time you join. We'll do it directly from the Zoom desktop app. Make sure you're signed in and have the app open on your computer. First, look for the video camera icon on the Zoom toolbar. You'll see it when you're in a meeting or on the preview screen right before you join. Next to that camera icon, there's a small arrow. Click that arrow to open the Quick Video menu. This is a handy menu that lets you adjust camera options without hunting through the full settings. From this quick menu, choose Video and Effects settings. Depending on your device, it might appear as Video Settings, and then you can navigate to Background and Effects. Either way, it opens the settings window where all your video preferences live. Inside the settings window, find the Avatars section. Click Avatars to open the gallery. Here, Zoom may prompt you to download assets the first time. Just let it finish. Then pick the avatar style you want to use. You'll see a live preview so you can confirm it tracks your facial movements and expressions. This is a good moment to check your lighting and camera angle, because even though it's an avatar, it still relies on your camera to map your face accurately. Now, enable the option that turns on your avatar automatically when you join a meeting. It's a simple toggle within the avatar's area. Once it's on, Zoom will apply your chosen avatar the moment you enter a meeting, so you don't have to remember to switch it on each time. Your voice will come through as normal, and you can always turn the avatar off during a meeting by using the same video arrow menu if you want to switch back to your real camera. A quick recap of the flow. Open the arrow next to the video icon, head into Video and Effect settings, select Avatars, choose the one you like, and flip on the setting to start with your avatar every time. If you don't see avatars or the automatic toggle, make sure your Zoom desktop app is updated to the latest version and that you're signed in. Good lighting and a steady camera help the avatar track smoothly. That's it. With this set, you'll join future meetings already in avatar mode, saving you time and keeping things consistent. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next Zoom with a little extra personality.